How to get $100 Uber working coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box, type in Uber coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, Groupon. This is the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So go and check it out. Just scroll and check out the offers. You can see that $30 off, 10% off, $50 off, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. With that, we want to get the code for it. I can copy the code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on shop now. You'll be directed to the official website of Uber. Now you can log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're going to get the discount in your ride. Also, you can try out other offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber. Then you can head back. You can also try out this one website, GrabOn. This is also the legit website where you're going to find amazing offers and deals for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $100 working coupon code for Uber.
If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.